This is Pihu Vasan, the host for this month coverage of GRE Times. December is not just last month of the year, but it also the time for celebrations, achievements and reflections. So sit back, listen closely as we take a look to the activities, plans and achievements that make the month December very special for our school.
Hello everyone, this is Priyanshu Jalal, the co-host of GRD Times. I am here for updating you all with the highlighting events of December. December, the grand finale of the year, has been nothing short of excitement with events, achievements and celebrations lighting up our school. The month has been a whirlwind of activities including academic milestones, sports triumphs, cultural showcases and of course, the festive spirit. We are here to take you on a journey through all of it. To begin with the first highlight, on 1st December, the students of our school showcased outstanding talent at the Khel Mahakumbh Handball Tournament, bagging 4 silver and 3 bronze medals. Adding to the glory, 4 players have been selected for the national team.
On 4th December, grade 1st and 2nd students of GRD International School enthusiastically participated in creative first aid kit box activity. They learned about first aid kit items and their uses, fostering awareness and preparedness, a fun and educational experience for our future lifesavers.
On 5th of December, grade 1st and 2nd students of our school explored the world of punctuations and prepositions through an engaging activity. The session helped them to improve their language skills with creativity and confidence. Great job, young learners!
Hello friends, today we students of grade 2nd are going to learn preposition.
On 7th of December, Abhinav Baghel of grade 10th of our school has been selected for the state team at age 16 under the BCCI level. His hard work and dedication has brought pride to the school. Congratulations Abhinav and keep making us proud at the field. On 10th of December, Mr. Bhaskar Joshi from Sharda University, Noida conducted an insightful career counseling session for grade 12 students, guiding them towards future opportunities.
On 11th December, a proud moment for GRE International School as they had secured 3rd rank in UC Mass International Competition, competing about 5,000 to 6,000 students from 200 countries. 14th December, a counseling session for grade 1st to 12th focused on cancer awareness and the importance of proper diet, empowering students with valuable health insights.
On 16th of December, the kindergarten students showcased their creativity through an engaging show and storytelling sessions, leaving everyone inspired with their imagination and confidence.
On 16 December, GRD International School proudly participated in inter-school cricket tournament organized by Interact Club DPS, showcasing teamwork and sportsmanship.
The month of December was buzzing with vibrant class-wide assemblies, where grade 5th A presented on traffic lights on 18th December, followed by 5th B session on healthy food on 19th December.
December was packed with inspiring class-wise assemblies. Grade 4th A presented on good habits, followed by grade 4th B on moral values on 21st December.
On 21st of December, the Interact Club organized a polio collection drive with enthusiastic participations from interactors and generous contributions from teachers supporting a noble cause.
22nd December, our school participated in chess tournament organized by the CPS, showcasing strategic brilliance and talent.
In December, grade 11th presented an act on the importance of mother on 23rd of December, leaving a touching message for all.
On 23rd and 24th December, our school celebrated Christmas with exciting activities. For grade 1st and 2nd, enjoy a fun session, while grade 6th and 7th enjoy the creating of Santa face mask, and grade 8th and 9th making of Christmas tree.
On 24th December, our school proudly participated in the Inter-School Badminton Tournament organized by Crimson Interact Club, showcasing talent and sportsmanship.
25th December, our brilliant student showcased their problem-solving skills at state level of Can-Can Championship held at Rudapur City Club.
6th of December, our school hosted an inter-school Kho-Kho tournament where the students of our school secured the runner-up position and JPS claimed the championship title.
27 December, our school hosted a seminar on EIAP student evaluation for parents for grade 6 to 9th and Eduquest Fair for grade 6 to 12th and featuring for 5 to 10 in our universities.
28th of December, our school organized a special assembly on Veer Bal Divas with Ardas and Shabad Kirtan honoring the sacrifice of 4 Sahibzades.
Summer comes to a close. Let's recall that it was a month filled with happiness, resilience, hope, and spirit of giving.
That wraps up our coverage for the month of December, a month filled with significant events and heartwarming memories that truly define the close of 2024.
Wishing you all a very happy New Year 2025.